What's up, everybody? Let's go with y'all. But ooh, me and the homies about to go to the mall, come back, get a car wash, and then I might run that the homies SS stock. We ran it last time, but I was in second gear in a 40, which is some bullshit because this car can go into like first gear all the way to 60. So we'll see what happens tonight. We might run it, but if not, I'll just be chilling. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there. Hope you guys enjoy the video. What you do? What's up, everybody? Picking up the vlog. We downtown right now. My boy and his SS, as you can see, looking beautiful out here. But yeah, we just took some pictures. I got some rollers. Y'all see that in the video. They ain't too much crazy. Just you know, just picture night, cruising. But we might go wash the whips before we go home. We should have washed them before we took the picture, but wash them before we go home, just so that they're not all dirty. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Just downtown, just cruising. It looks like a movie scene, like in the downtown right now. I just want to go left or see one on my side. But yeah, look, it's beautiful out here, especially with the Camaro and the Corvette. It's just clean. I'm pulling up to the car wash, but what the fuck? Look, he's about to do pool. Oh, I thought he was gonna do a pool, but pulling up to the car wash with the homie in the SS. But yeah, you better wash the whips. So it's gonna look all pretty. Give you a little highlight of us washing the whips. It's a little 370 here, I guess. It's cool. Yeah, I'll give you a little highlight of us washing the whips. Shit, a little red. Yeah, now we gotta wash the whips real quick. What? Stop, fuck off. Fuck off, you look. Brown kid? Like, yeah, hell, it smells like tires. Camping like a narco. Hey, bro. Narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in. Oh, you want to get the back, you goofy. Call me bitch. Okay, call me bitch. Little fucker. Rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle block. I'll go ahead. Man, you fucked up. You better leave an axle on the floor. Hey, bro, your tires are still wet, my boy. All right, hold on. Wait. You gonna break an axle, my boy? I don't know. I'm just talking. Probably. Yeah, go ahead. That looked a little better. I think he's just spinning on the water. Smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It smells like Badoosh. Black dick and pussy. What the fuck? Hey, yo. Hey, YouTube, do not take my video down. Oh, we about to die. Oh, we about to die. I think he's gonna do one more. It was only supposed to do one. No, I'm good fuck right now. I want to go home, bro. I want to go sleep. You want to go sleep? I need to go to sleep too. I work. Yeah, work. Are you doing one more? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Hey, kind of ride the clutch. Don't just dump it. Just stay on the clutch, like lightly, like. Well, you got some sticky ass tires. Yeah, go ahead. It looked good. He just spun right here, huh? Yeah, I think we gotta go. The truck driver's getting mad. He's turning on his car. He's about to go home. I think we're gonna do it again. I don't know. Maybe they're too sticky. I don't know. Come on, is he gonna do it now? Oh my god. Okay, I think it's done. No mass? Okay, that's good. That man is walling. Okay. Oh, you doing? Oh, okay, he's doing one more. Yep. Alright, we're out of here. That was a good one. We're out. Shut up, bitch. Sorry. Got done washing the cars. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Huh? That's what's clean. Alright, damn, boy.
Fucking película.
Fast boy, must be nice.
Fucking película.
Shut up, bitch. Huh? Going crazy. Wait, I just got done with the wash. That's pretty much the vlog, though. The camera died, so I'm using the phone. Which one do you think looks better? Phone?
I don't know, bro.
It looks good, though, huh? Tell me not. They both look good. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the vlog. With this motherfucker, he's walking behind me, bro. Stop being scared. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Wash it. You missed the spot. Look, you missed the spot.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Damn, bro, you're crazy. Damn, bro, you're crazy. You're crazy, bro. You need help? Let me help you. Let me help you. Oh, why are you moving? I'm trying to help you. What?